This year, a teacher from a school in Massachusetts got in contact with her school. She wanted her students to get some insight and knowledge about Mexican culture and traditions. Fortunately for her, pre-first students made a project to explore Mexican traditions such as El Día de los Muertos, or the Day of the Dead, as part of the Spanish program. Due to the fact that the students in Massachusetts did not speak Spanish, Ms. Silvia Chavez and Ms. Charlotte Brown worked together in this ambitious project to share the students' culture with American kids. A Skype meeting was organized with the school in Massachusetts so that our students could explain the main elements in an altar from El Día de los Muertos and what each of the elements meant. Ms. Charlotte Brown commented on the planning and organization of the project.
Actually, the school contacted Miss Kathy, and Miss Kathy, in regards to having some opportunity to learn about the Day of the Dead. And because this class regularly makes altars and makes mini altars, the children all make mini altars, Miss Kathy asked Miss Sylvia and myself if we could contact the school.
At ASPV, children are educated in a completely bicultural environment in which they get to know the traditions of both American and Mexican cultures. In this project specifically, students were asked to get involved in the creation of the altar.
We prepared for this day by having the children make the altar yesterday. We started on Wednesday, they started bringing in all the different parts. Each child brought in something. Pan de Muerto, the candles, pictures of their grandparents, the flowers. Everybody brought something in to contribute to the altar.
During their Skype video call, the students at ASPV commented on all the basic objects an altar contains. Some of these objects were water, which quenches the thirst of spirits, the famous Pan de Muertos, cempasúchil flowers to guide the spirit, the favorite food of the deceased, sugar skulls, and most importantly, a picture of the deceased. After the official presentation of the altar, there was a brief time during which students from both schools could ask questions about the life of students in the other school. After the Skype video call ended, Ms. Charlotte commented on her experience with the project and her expectations for the future.
Yeah, this was a very neat experience for the children, and we hope, and Miss Sylvia and I were very excited, and we hope that we can do it again in some other celebration, because it was neat to be able to make contact with another school and share something from here, from Mexico with them, Puerto Vallarta.
Tegan, like many of the students in Miss Charlotte's class, were excited to teach their peers about Day of the Dead.
Yeah, I would love to do it.
For ASPV News, Billy, Paul, and Bernardo reporting.